Hi friends, in this video, we will go step by step through the process of installing Python 3 in a macOS operating system. The first step is to download the latest Python 3 installer. Visit www.python.org and click on the Downloads tab. Click on the button which has the latest installer version name on its label. The download process will begin. Once it is complete, open the file and run it. You can see the installation window on your screen. Just click Continue and proceed with the installation. Once the setup is complete, click on the Launchpad icon and click Idle to launch the application. The idle shell window will now appear on your screen. You have successfully completed the Python 3 installation on macOS. Now, you are ready to begin the next part of your learning journey and execute some Python programs.